is a new month, and you know what that is? It is a new haul from Amazon. Now, if you guys have been following me for a while, I started a new thing where I have been getting a lot of stuff from Amazon. I do the subscribe and save, and I have saved so much money doing it the way I have been doing it. Cheaper than if I go to a store, or like, especially if like Costco or Sam's Club. I've been finding a lot of these prices super cheap, and then I've been stacking it with an app called Brandclub. Now, Brandclub for a while took me the longest to get used to it, but Brandclub is basically, you join as many of these brands as you have. Then what you do is you link your Walmart, your Target, your grocery store, your Amazon, and if you buy any of those brands that you joined, you get like a couple cents off of those, or you get a couple cents that you get. And I've saved a couple $100 just from doing stuff like this. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got for the month of April for my subscribe and save. Now, if you guys are new to subscribe and save, every time you buy an item, you do the subscribe and save, you get like an extra percentage off. You can change the date, so you can have it where if you want it once a month, you can have it once a week, you could have it bi-weekly, you could change it however you want to do it. So how to save more money is like, if you have more items on the subscribe and save list, you get to save more. So usually like the first item you can get is like 5% off, and then sometimes it's 10, and then it's 15. So what you need to do is add items individually to get up to 15% off. So if you guys are just starting out, add like taco seasoning, a thing of soup, they have some wafer crackers, you can get some pudding, all that stuff is like in the dollar range. So add it to your subscribe and save, 5 items individually, and then anything after that you will get up to 15%. Not every single item is 15% off, but you will get other items up to 15% off. Then if you want, after you have 5 additional items, take those items off, or just skip it for the next month so it stays saved on your account. So, and then you can cancel the stuff anytime. They have digital coupons, and I'll share with you guys the digital coupons, but they have digital coupons where if you subscribe to the subscribe and save, you could save an extra 10, 20, 25, 30% off. I've seen stuff if you did 50% off, so it all varies on what item you get. Now, if you guys follow me on my Deals by DesignerJen on Facebook, I have been sharing some deals with you that are hot. So just saying. So this is everything that I got. I didn't go crazy as I've gone in the past, just because I've been going through some things with my back, and I just been busy and all that stuff. But I'm gonna share with you guys everything that I got today. So I ended up getting some scissors. Does anybody else lose scissors? Like I have right now, I have all these scissors on my desk, okay? I use scissors like there's no tomorrow, and I still can't find scissors. I could have 100 of these and we still always lose scissors. So even though I have them in designated areas. But what Brandclub one day was having a deal with some scissors. Now, not every item on Brandclub is a subscribe and save too, but these were $5.68, and then they were offering 50% back when you purchase this. So they have a daily deal that is different every single time. You can follow them, I know, on Facebook and Instagram at night. They show what their daily deals are going to be the night before, and then at 10 o'clock in the morning, at like 10:02 Central Standard Time, they pop up, and then you have minutes to buy it. Some of that stuff will sell out within the next 20 minutes. I've seen it where I forgot to order something and it sold out. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. Be prepared. So it depends on, it could be 9 o'clock, could be 8 o'clock, could be 11 o'clock, depending on where you live. So they had these scissors for $5.68, and then I ended up getting $2.84 back with Brandclub, making them $2.84. And you can't go bad with some Scotch brand scissors for $2.84. Then another deal that they had was this leapfrog thing that I got for my nephew. My nephew will be turning 2 years old in a couple months, and I thought this would be a great thing for him to have. So this was a daily deal. This originally was $13.99. I got Legos last month, but I ended up getting $6.98 back with this. $6.98, so I only paid $7.01 for this. And I think that's a great deal. I have been bargain shopping for toys for my nephews like crazy, so I thought, good, I'm already done with him for his birthday present. I love it. I love it how much I can shop ahead and get that stuff. So $7.01 for that I think is a pretty great deal. Now this was something that I needed more of. I did this deal maybe last month or the month prior to that. There was a daily deal and I'm like, I need some more napkins. So I ended up getting the Bounty. These were $3.48. With subscribe and save you only get 5% off, so I got them for $3.31. And since I bought one of the brands that I'm connected to through Brandclub, I got 7 cents back with Brandclub. So I got these for $3.27, and I think that's a pretty good deal. I mean, you get 200 of them, and these are pretty good napkins, so I just got these. These were a renewal for my subscribe and save, so I just got those. Then, this was an awesome deal that I got. I ended up getting the Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin, and Nails with biotin. I'm starting to try these again. I used to take these a long time ago, but these were $8.77 on Amazon. With the subscribe and save, I got 15% off, so I got them for $7.45. Then, there was a deal where they were buy one, get one free. So I got 2 of them for $7.45. And there was a new deal where if you sign up for subscribe and save, you get 25% off. And I also got 18 cents back with Brandclub for having that brand clicked. I got both of these for $3.77 or $1.88 each. And I know Walgreens sells these for like 10 bucks a piece. So $1.88. So this was one of the digital coupons that they had that you can click. This was the only item that I had a digital coupon for, but I like it. I like it. I like it. So yeah. Then this, I got some Ritz crackers. These were $5.49. They were 15% off with doing the subscribe and save, so I paid $4.67 for these. But Brandclub was having these as a daily deal, so I got $2.74 back with that, making this box $1.93. And this is a pretty big box of crackers, and it's the party size. $1.93. I don't even know, I don't have my phone on me, but you could get this for like probably what, $5-6 bucks at Walmart. Can't go wrong with that. You just can't. This is another deal that I am pretty excited for. I got the 2-pack of the Neutrogena wipes. These were $9.79. With subscribe and save, I got 15% off, so I paid $8.32 for these. But Brandclub was having a daily deal for $4.89. I got these for $3.43. $3.43 for 2 packs. Great deal. Great deal, and I'm starting to use those again. Now, I have been using makeup sponges for crazy. I bought some e.l.f. brand, and I've noticed that I like the Real Techniques brand better than the e.l.f. when it comes to putting makeup on. So I want to get more of these any chance I get. I found out that Dollar Tree was carrying these, but I haven't found them yet. Haven't found them. But these were $8.97. I got them for 15% off, where it means I paid $7.62. But Brandclub was having a sale for, or cashback daily deal for $4.38. So I got both of these for $3.24. $3.24. Awesome, awesome deal. The next deal I got were the Pringles. Now this is a 32 or 27 cup count. And what I like is about it has the 3 original. And then it has barbecue, cheddar sour cream, and pizza. So got this. I'm out of breath, you guys. I just ran upstairs. These are $14.84. But with subscribe and save, I got 5% back, or 5% off, so I paid $14.10 for this. But Brandclub, sorry, I'm just out of breath all of a sudden. Brandclub got these, I got a daily deal of these for $7.42 back. So I paid $6.68 for this. $6.68 for a whole box of Pringles. I think that's a pretty great deal. So those are perfect for lunches or whatever we need to go when we're on the go, or little snacks for the kids. So I got that. And then the last deal I have is a 4-pack of some chicken noodle soup. I just made homemade chicken noodle soup the other day. It was delicious. But this was $3.68. with Subscribe and Save, I got 15% off. So I paid $13. $3.13, but there was a daily deal with Brandclub, so I got $1.96 back, making all 4 cans $1.17 or 29 cents each, you guys. $1.17 for 4 of them. That's like $1 for just 1 can these days. So yes, brand name for a quarter of the price. Yeah. So that was everything that I got. So I ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 items, I think. 9 items. So if you added all that up together, before the Subscribe and Save and all that stuff, everything originally would cost me, if I did buy that stuff, $83.46. All those items, $83.46. But with Brandclub, I ended up getting $31.46 back, and then I didn't figure out the total what I paid with the Subscribe and Save. But altogether, from $83.46 is what everything would have cost if I just bought it normally without Subscribe and Save. I got it all the way down to $33.37. I ended up saving $50.09 for everything. $33.37. So I'm still buying stuff in bulk, and I'm buying stuff, and I'm absolutely loving it. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. But this is a great way for you guys to save money. Plus, another thing is, some people have Amazon Prime. I'm a person who I want to take full advantage of getting Amazon Prime. I mean, now when I first started it was like $79. Now I think it's like $120, $130, I don't know. And every time I buy stuff, I always choose the no rush shipping, because when you do that, they always give you credit. And I always buy like my books for it. I used to buy movies and stuff, so you can always do that. But I always try to make sure I get my membership's money out of it. So like if you're paying 130 something bucks or whatever, and I just save 50, I'm pretty happy with that. Pretty happy with that. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, and concerns, I'm always here to help you guys out. But this is an easy thing. So yeah, I usually just do once a month, but some of this stuff, like the Pringles actually shipped earlier for me, and then the toy and the scissors, they shipped them right away. There was no Subscribe and Save, so I just kept them to the side until I could fit my video. But I've already bought like 4 items already. Today was it April? I don't remember the date, but I've already got 4 items for next month already delivered. I got applesauce, I got some Gutty Fruities, Band-Aids, and Goldfish. So definitely check out those deals, Brandclub, and then make sure you guys are following me on my Facebook that I show those deals. I was thinking of maybe sharing the deals on YouTube. If you guys want me, not doing a video, but I would just like make a post or something. If you guys are interested in something like that, I could definitely do that. I could always do stuff for Instagram, like in the stories. I could do that too. So I don't know if you guys have other ways you want me to share with you guys some of these deals. Not the Brandclub deals, but the deals that I will share when I find, like, and the deals I find usually involve like digital coupons and stuff. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know what way you would want me to share with you guys. But right now I only share it on Deals by DesignerJen on Facebook. So definitely follow that. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.